Newly appointed Kingston College Manning Cup coach Raymond Watson doesn't foresee any issues stepping up to replace Ludlow Bernard, who departed later or after leading the team to the title last season. More in this report.
With Ludlow Bernard now gone as head coach of Kingston College on the back of winning the Manning Cup last season, Raymond Watson has been named as the man to replace him. Watson, who led the under-16 team to multiple titles, says that Bernard has always allowed him to express himself when he was the assistant coach, which has made the transition much easier.
It's not really new to me, honestly, because whilst been working with Ludlow Bernard, I was given the freedom by him to express myself in a lot of areas. And to be honest, Mr. Bernard has taught me a lot. And as I said, he gave me the role to express myself. And even last year, he credited the success of the program to the work that I have done before.
That transition, however, could be made tougher with the loss of 19 players ahead of the upcoming season. But Watson believes they will still be able to compete.
I'm a person who's always up for the challenge. I don't know the word difficult. I am a person who, once my mind is up to it, I'm a workaholic when it comes to football. I believe in what I'm doing. I believe in the children that I supervise or coach or teach. And for me, it's just another thing. We'll go out there, we will perform, we will compete.
And Watson will have the experience of Andrew Edwards providing guidance, as he has been named technical director of the reigning Manning Cup champions. Watson says he has already started communicating with the former national youth coach.
Andrew, a very good person. We have been having good conversations. Actually, I am the person coaching. He doesn't interfere or interrupts in the coaching, but he gives advice, and we have good footballing discussions, and I have already started to learn some things from him.
The Manning Cup season kicks off on September 10. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.